You know this is Zony, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do it. Def them.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Move! Today we are with Alkaline, the man himself. With my choice. Yes, it's a visualizer. You know, Alkaline do him thing already. Him give the audio, then him give the video later on down the year. So, I'm going to jump in the one and see what the G has said, man. Let's go, man. Alright, let's go.
President dead, money instead. Chain and ring them, arm and a leg. You know me.
Money on the topic.
Ready now.
Ready.
The bread that I matter to me the most. Big chunk of food is a full meal course. Billionaire status in a foreign and close. I'm money on my choice. Run that shot.
Pussy club. Man say billionaire status not the far, they close. So I'm tell you say you have a whole heap of millions already. A billion in my pre now.
President dead. Money instead.
Money. The genius of yourself. After bam, big up.
I'm on a leg. You know me. What meds?
What meds?
Ready now.
M-O-N-E-Y. Ready.
The bread that I matter to me the most. Big chunk of food is a full meal course. Billionaire status in a foreign and close. I'm money on my choice. Run that short cash everywhere, another joke. Glock 17 if somebody they want smoke. Office station count there control. I'm money on my choice. Check me out the
Yo, money I'm choice. Him not care what some people do around this or over this or in this so. A money him a do right there so. A money a feel him choice. That's what the G tell right there so. Yo, Genius, big up yourself. Never thought I'd see the day when Genius I work with Alkaline. Cause we know the past. But we're not gonna go night today. We're not going night. Genius, big up yourself. Alkaline, big up.
You know me. What meds? Ready now. Yeah. The bread that I matter to me the most. Big chunk of food is a full meal course. Billionaire status in a foreign and close. I'm money on my choice.
Money!
Run that short cash everywhere, another joke. Glock 17 if somebody they want smoke. Office station count there control. I'm money on my choice. Check me I defend you more than anything. The banking overflow a ton of can roll for Franklin. Remember when every silver that used to drop in the tin. I know the stacks of my time for rich talent not building. Kill punk.
Yo, listen to me. Nick, FSB, big up yourself. Yeah, Alkaline vlogger. Me is a reactioner. Me react to and pick up certain things in the song. Them man, yeah, if you don't want to see the full breakdown of everything what go on, everything what I must say, go over Nick FSB. And them man, they're responsible for Alkaline sang them and them things. So let's go.
Check me I defend you more than anything. The banking overflow a ton of can roll for Franklin. Remember when every silver that used to drop in the tin. I know the stacks of my time for rich talent not building. Kill punk, no I could.
Check
me I defend you more than anything. The banking overflow a ton of can roll for Franklin. Remember when every silver that used to drop in the tin. I know the stacks of my time for rich talent not building. Kill punk, no I could the script. Me do more on a stunt get confront to make a GG like when Pampers at the month catch up front.
Well, no man, the man said no I couldn't script and do more on a stunt. Brother, he might want to stunt, not scripted over your so. Anything you see over your so, oh God.
Franklin, remember when every silver that used to drop in the tin. I know the stacks of my time for rich talent not building.
Million.
No, I could the script, me do more on a stunt get confront to make a GG like when Pampers at the month catch up front.
Yo, me can hear the Showtime sample in already. Man, say, hey, listen again.
Franklin, remember when every silver that used to drop in the tin. I know the stacks of my time for rich talent not building. Kill punk, no I could the script, me do more on a stunt get confront to make a GG like when Pampers at the month catch up front. Everything have a price and me send enough funds. Rich young, do or die the work always I get done. Not about no crumbs. The bread that I
man said not talk about no crumbs. A big food him a talk about 3-course meal. Where crumbs I go? Me no wanna crumbs a blood clot. Yeah, we're not singing again, brother.
President dead.
Run that song again, brother.
Money instead. Chain and ring them.
I don't like what Alkaline say.
I'm on a leg.
Uno broke.
You know me.
Uno not pre-money.
What meds?
I'm money at the meds.
Ready now.
My choice, Alkaline. Ready again, oi.
The bread that I matter to me the most. Big chunk of food is a full meal course. Billionaire status in a foreign and close. I'm money and my choice. Run that short cash everywhere, another joke. Glock 17 if somebody they want smoke. Office station out there control. I'm money and my choice. Check me, I defend you more than anything. The banking overflow, I turn a call, will for Franklin. Remember when every silver that used to drop in a the tin. I know the stacks of my time for rich talent not building. Kill punk, no work with the script, me do more wanna stunt. Get confront to make a GG like rent pan. First of the month, cash up front. Everything have a price, so me send no funds. Rich young, do or die, the work always I get done. Not about no crumbs. The bread that I want to need the most. Big chunk of food is a full meal course. Billionaire status in a foreign and close. I'm money and my choice. Run that short cash everywhere, another joke. Glock 17 if somebody they want smoke. Office station out there control. I'm money and my choice. Shot but true chest. Ruthless Steve figures on my choose. Yes, a little change we spend and a bullet you on your crew catch. Pioneer the real.
Oh, sick lord. Man, say a little change me spend and a bullet you on your crew catch. What on the man?
Office station out there control. I'm money and my choice. Shot but true chest. Ruthless Steve figures on my choose. Yes, a little change we spend and a bullet you on your crew catch. Pioneer the real deal. We know what we do best. As a wine gear money pinch up it two breast can't.
Oh, sick lord. What we do best? What we do best? WIN. Win. We win best. How you say you?
But true chess. Ruthless
never lose.
On my choose. Yes, a little change we spend and a bullet you on your crew catch. Pioneer the real deal. We know what we do best. As a wine gear money pinch up it two breast can't take it on another level. How much you have to lose bet? Hundreds of K in a minute and never move. Sweat no in and no hanky panky was step on a loose flex. Currency make some dudes vex. Living legend.
The man say currency, moolah, money. Wanga, the dollars, the money, green dead faces make some dude vex. Who vex? Who vex?
Breast can't take it on another level. How much you have to lose bet? Hundreds of K in a minute and never move. Sweat no in and no hanky panky was step on a loose flex. Currency make some dudes vex. Living legend. Go on the badness then you go run up in a dead end. A long time we
living legend. Go on the badness then you go end up in a dead end.
Come in a Farid.
That you go get if you go around the badness.
Currency make some dudes vex. Living legend. Go on the badness then you go run up in a dead end. A long time we a beat fight and a triumph for them they win. Down to the pass and get him off and can't shot the reverend. Dry blogs we leave bossy.
I said down to the pastor get him off and can't shot the reverend.
Currency make some dudes vex. Living legend. Go on the badness then you go run up in a dead end. A long time we a beat fight and a triumph for them they win. Down to the pass and get him off and can't shot the reverend. Dry blogs we leave bossy. I want my preference from never red cent fast forward. I make him some amount of money man I make can still cheap on me ends. Rich in a real life I you know and I pretense. I don't need no lens. Physics
man say you don't need a lens. Physics say him rich out. I feel him choice. Him tell us say him rich out. Him have millions. I soon head to billions. And him still there on him ends. Him still all out. You know him still grounded.
Rich in a real life I you know and I pretense. I don't need no lens. Physics the bread that I matter to me the most. Big chunk of food is a full meal course. Billionaire status in a foreign and close. I'm money and my choice. Run that short cash everywhere, another joke. Glock 17 if somebody they want smoke. Office station out there control. I'm money and my choice. Bread that I matter to me the most. Big chunk of food is a full meal course. Billionaire status in a foreign and close. I'm money and my choice. Run that short cash everywhere, another joke. Glock 17 if somebody they want smoke. Office station out there control. I'm money and my choice.
Oh, sick lord. So this is Alkaline first song with the Genius working on it. Genius, big up yourself. Alkaline, big up yourself. Like we say, I'm not gonna get to that again with Genius and Alkaline from them time that now. But Tony, big up on yourself, two talented individuals. What can I say, bro? This is Alkaline, bro. Alkaline said statement, bro. Alkaline make you know, bro. Like, don't fuck up, brother. We work at millions. Me not print no millions or billions. My thing there right now. You see me close. Me not the fire. Me the close to it. And if you fuck up and pass your place, dead and I go reach you. Know yourself. Don't fuck up. Don't size up when you come on to MONEY and me the man. You know that. So don't fuck up, brother. Me reach out to yourself, but me still stay humble. All of them things the Alkaline tell you and more in the song. Go listen to the song and break it down for yourself if you know believe it. Yo, what I say? Like me say, if you don't want to see a more in-depth breakdown, word for word, everything when I say, go link Nick FSB over him side. You know, because them man the responsible for Alkaline. But yeah, Steven the Genius, big up yourself. Autobahn, big up yourself. Alkaline, big up yourself. The whole production team, you know what, big up yourself. Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section, man, and I'll be down there. Alright, peace.
Right now, I want $1 million US. Even Solomon Vice of the Real Artist Progress, I represent for Jamaica's worst gamer. I don't know, say I'm the best reaction videos on YouTube. The man this and the baddest. You see it? Jamaica's worst gamer. Real Artist represent.